Hi, Janie and Justin. We're the J&Js. Hi. Welcome to another Fun Fast Friday. Sorry we're a little late today. I had some technical difficulties with the phone. It went on safe mode and I wasn't sure what that was, and it took a while to get you back. Anyway, so we're here Friday. We're gonna do something fun, something fast, and
today's Friday.
And it's Friday. Yay! Hi, Nick. Okay, so our riddle of the day is how many, and don't give the answer away if you know the answer. How many apples can you fit inside an empty shoebox? I'll say it again. How many apples can you fit inside an empty shoebox?
I think I heard of
I'll
this.
let you know the answer at the end. I'm pretty sure you did because I know I asked you before. Alright, so today I have my origami expert and he's going to help me with this. So let's take a look to see what we're making tonight.
Switch button is not switching.
There it is. Today we are going to make origami butterflies. Yay! Okay. So we have some pretty origami paper. It's printed on one side. They're already squares, all different ones.
I got these from scratch.
That's alright. They will work.
They're like...
Okay, so Mr. Origami Expert, can you show us what to do?
Okie dokie. So we
I'm going to use this one.
take a paper and then I think you fold it like this.
Like this? It looks like it's in half.
The color is inside, I think.
Yes. So color side up. Fold it in half. Oh, sorry.
And then
Expert doing it.
so you should have this, and then now fold it across.
That means open it up and fold it the other way now, from corner to corner. Okay.
Okay, this is my way. So wait. Okay.
Diagonal fold
Oh,
into triangles.
fold it triangle.
Like that.
So you have what?
And then open it and fold it triangle the other way.
So you should, when you finish, you should have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 crease lines. So then now, wait.
8 crease lines or 8 triangles?
8 crease lines. These things are creases.
Okay.
And
He's right. So can you see the creases on the back? Yes.
Actually, I have to do color forward, like in the outside, so.
The flat way, the rectangle way.
And then the other way again, sorry. Okay, let's see if I can do it.
So this way again.
Faster. Doesn't really have to be perfect, unless you're really off. So
that way.
How are you going to see the color?
Oh. So flip it that way.
Yeah, and then you fold it on the this one.
I'm not understanding, Mr. Origami, sir.
Well, I don't know how to explain it, Mrs.
Okay, so we have our creases in the rectangular way, and we have our creases at the triangle way.
But
And
we
he
did it
is
wrong.
telling us,
We're supposed
Justin
to,
is saying to fold it this way.
We were supposed to do it like that.
Alright, so color side up. Let's make the triangle. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
No. Let's make the rectangle.
Rectangle.
And then now, because it's nice and creased, we're just going to push one side in. And so that side's tucked in. And now we'll tuck this side in. And now we have a triangle that has flaps on this side and flaps on that side.
2, 3.
Now, whichever side you like, one of the corners from the triangle, you're going to fold it up because you said you didn't know how to explain. We'll fold it up this way. Can you see?
Corner to corner.
And the other corner, we'll flip it up that way.
And
just like that. Try to make it as straight as you can.
I'm going a little ahead. And then we need to... we're looking at a computer.
And then you turn it around so we have the side with the 2 flaps going up. Now we'll turn it to the other side. And this side we are going to turn it down. But we're going to make it down a little bit, just slightly sticking out of the bottom. And we are going to fold that little tiny triangle up. Just like that to hold it down. You don't want to squish these because these will give the curve of the wings. So don't squish them down. Once you have that, you want to fold your wings up.
What?
You just fold it in half. And ta-da! We have our butterfly. See?
Oh, that's
you can go let go.
Like this?
Yep, just like that. Ta-da! And if you make a whole bunch of them, you can hang them in a mobile and look really pretty. So, have fun making them. These are really cool. They turn out much nicer than I expected.
I have a book to show you.
Yes, so...
And it's written backwards, but okay.
We can do it. We can show it this way. Here, hold it, and I'll show it.
There you go. 100 book. It has it's like shapes and like cool stuff.
It's
like,
all different boxes and shapes, right?
Also, cool stuff in the back and some of these things. And also, there is these
Wow.
bars, which is cool.
That's Justin's favorite book.
And I built one of these things in this book, and it looks very cool. It was this thing. I really like it.
Awesome. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Oh, wait. Didn't get the answer yet. So how many apples can you fit into one empty shoebox? Answers?
1.
1? Why?
I feel like it.
The answer is 1. Even though he doesn't know the answer why. It's 1 because after that, the shoebox not empty anymore.
I don't get it.
How many apples can you fit in an empty shoebox? So 1. And then it's not empty.
Oh!
Aha! All right, see you next week. Bye.
Bye.